Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. Today it's time for a shave video and I've got to wet my face. You notice anything different? Where's the flannel? I've got several more in the closet, but I'm giving you guys a little bit of a break. I've got a day and a half worth of growth. I needed to do this video this morning. Got a little sidetracked, I apologize. Today's razor is going to be this stainless steel carbon razor. This is the original plate without all the extra webbing cut out. Got a Gillette 7 o'clock yellow blade in there. Going to be using the Shave Dad's or Strike Gold Shave 3-ring Circus. I was thinking, was it 3 rings or 3 ring? There's what the soap looks like. This is that lovely cotton candy scent, and I love it. I have the matching splash. Give that a shake while we're going. Going to be using some star jelly. Getting kind of low, Joe, if you know. And the star of the show. No, but really, now I'm going to say this. Please listen. I have no intention on making brushes to sell them. But this particular beauty I just made the other day. And this is pecan wood. This happens to be a tree that my father-in-law planted with his father when he was a wee little boy. And that particular tree was 75-ish years old. And I put a G5C knot in there because people have told me, since I love the badger knots, that this one will be the one for me as far as a synthetic brush. Thumbnail. And I just don't know. All right, I'm going to whip up some lather and I'll be right back. I am back, and it did whip up some nice lather, 1/4 teaspoon. And I think I used around 13 mils of water. Here we go. Let's give this knot a try. You can tell there is a little bit of backbone. I just find that synthetic brushes they just don't like to splay like a natural brush. Not really sure why or how or any of that stuff. I imagine because the synthetic fiber, whatever it is, plastic or what have you. Most of you guys probably know more about what synthetic material is used. It's made out of a machine, and it's made straight, and it loves to be straight, I guess. And to wear a natural fiber or natural hair has this awesome flexibility because it's made to do what it's meant to do. And so it can move and flex and get dirty and this and that, to where these cannot absorb water or soap. And I guess I will need some more time to try it out. It just doesn't have what I like to it. I've been a firm believer of this for quite some time. And I try. That's enough face lathering. I try to love them, almost like the Vashkod blade. I try to love it, and it's controversial, but I just can't seem to fall in love. That's why I'm going to make other brushes with badger knots. Anyway, pass number 1 with the grain. thought about doing kind of a fun video, and this particular soap, for me, has an uplifting scent to it. I can't think of a time where I've ate cotton candy and been in a bad mood. So this scent is definitely uplifting and just makes you feel nice. And it's one of those scents that if you shave with it before bed, you don't wake up hungry in the middle of the night. So that's always a plus. My mind says synthetic brushes or synthetic knots are painters. They perform well painting. Up, down, side, side. You know, kind of like Karate Kid. Comment below and let me know. Do you like synthetic knots? Or do you prefer natural knots? Whether it be badger, boar, combination, or even horsehair. Matter of fact, I'll put a little picture right here. I had made a kind of old schooly vibe brush for my father-in-law for Christmas, and he was very happy to see it. All right, I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water, and I'll be right back. You know, I don't even think I told you what I named this brush. I call it the Webble Wobble because it won't stand up. When I was turning this, I made this radius very nice and round, and no matter what I do, this thing will not stand up on its own unless I prop it up against something. Rookie brush turner. All right, I'm gonna put the splash on here. Better get another little douse of that. Just a reminder, this one is the one that's got a little bit of a alcohol scent at first, and after, I don't know, 10-15 minutes, that alcohol scent dissipates and that nice cotton candy scent comes to life. I can tell that that razor is very mild. Kind of forgot about that. And then since I've been getting these nice straight razor shaves, it reminds me that much more that how mild some of these DE razors are. I'll put a picture right here of everything I used, and I have an excellent idea for Will It Shave Wednesday. I'll see you then, and you have a great rest of your weekend.